Hello and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So excuse the way I look. I had to go to the gym this morning. I then ran to go to the supermarket. I came home and now I am online on the randomcommentpicker.com to find out who is going to be the winner of my little contest. As you know, it ended last night, and as I promised, I would do it today on Saturday. So I went to commentpicker.com. I put in my URL. I got 51 comments, and I'm going to start the raffle and pick a random winner. So give me a minute. And the winner is Debbie Reynolds. Congratulations, Debbie. I am going to write that on my channel as well, underneath where you commented. Please reach out to me at carolynandherclothes@gmail.com and let me know your email address for which you'd like me to send your gift card to. Let me know whether you want Stitch Fix, Nordstrom, or Trunk Club. Again, thank you so much for participating, and I really appreciate it. Congratulations, Debbie Reynolds.